Has been a very colorful year for us. We faced a lot of challenges. People think that we can't make it, but we stand up and we became even stronger. I'm very sure in 2023 we will be even stronger. Am I right? So with that, I want to wish you guys, you have worked hard this year. Tonight is the night that you have to play hard. So Merry Christmas and let the party begin.
Merry Christmas!
Night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating around the trees in Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe. Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? I wanna fall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all.
One by one. Let's see who's our lucky person.
Turtle doves and all my favorite things come in sets up too. So does love. Send me someone I can talk to. We'll share stories of our childhood memories of Christmas past. Chestnuts on an open heart and another love to make it last. We'll build Frosty the Snowman and dance along with the Christmas band, and then we'll fly like two old lovebirds walking around a winter wonderland. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? I wanna fall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Send me an extra stocking to hang next to me.